Hey, this is your guy Julius Washington from the Washington Group of United Real Estate, and what we're doing is we're featuring a community, Blythewood, South Carolina. Blythewood currently in its infancy stages. They're in development. In the end, it's going to be about 330 homes that will be built here. We're going to tour one of these homes today, and I'm going to let you tour out and take a look and see where the development's going to take us. Okay? Okay, so the first house we're going to take a look at here today is called the Hayden plan. And the Hayden is essentially a 5-bedroom home, and it's about 2,500 square feet. And we'll walk on through and take a look at it. So this house right now, so I'll put a disclaimer out there. It's in a rough stage. So they're just getting started with this. So you're going to see a lot of construction. When you're in a construction area, that's what you expect to see. First room we'll take a look at here is a flex room where you have, you can use that as an office space or a front sitting parlor like in the olden days, or just a living room if you want to call it that. And we'll move on forward. And as you move forward into the rest of the house, it starts opening up, becomes even more an open concept. Upgraded countertops, which you have the quartz. And you can work that in your package with the builder here, which is DR Horton, whether or not you want to take some of that bonus money that they give you to award your stainless steel appliances. Okay? You see the tile backsplash areas. Nice little touch, nice little coloring. And then in the door right here, we'll take a look at. Here's your, what we would call the opening for a pantry. Still got to put the shelving and things in there. Again, we're saying in the rough stages, so there's still some work to be done here for this particular model called the Hayden plan. Okay, so now we are transitioning here into the kitchen. And so what do you think about the kitchen?
Well, I love this island. I love the quartz. It looks nice and clean and fresh. And I like that you have enough space where you can put some bar stools behind the island, and then this could be an eating area as well.
Yeah. And then this spot right here is another, I would call it a little nook area offset from the kitchen where you can set a little small circle or square table for dining and whatnot. And then we'll transition over here. As you see the flow, you flow from the kitchen into your family room area space, which is right here.
And I love that. Lots of entertainment can happen here because everybody's in one room.
Yeah. Do you think we can put a nice big sectional in here?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, with a nice big screen TV over here.
Yeah, big screen right on that wall right there. A nice little L-shaped sectional right in here, and great living space for the family. So let's transition over here to you got one bedroom downstairs, and this could serve as your guest bedroom. Walking here. The transition from the luxury vinyl plank, so you have luxury vinyl plank here and the living spaces out here, and you come into the bedroom area and you'll have carpet. And then one bedroom with the closet. So you open up the closet for you, take a look at that. Still got to put the shelving in for that.
Nice big closet.
Yep, nice space. It goes beyond what you see right now deep into the wall. And then here's your one bath. It's a full bath.
Very nice.
Yeah. And again, they still give you, over here, you still have quartz. So you get the quartz finishing, quartz features here, a toilet, and a stand-up shower in here. Okay, here's your, what I would call, probably it's gonna be your coat closet coming out of your garage, which is this door here that leads up to your garage, okay? So follow me. Head up to the top, but we start at the bottom here with the wrought iron. Then you got the wood planks along with the wood risers as you go up. So nice little touch as you head upstairs. Again, like I said, rough stage. First bedroom will come in to your right. And this looks like your master suite, okay?
Wow.
So nice and spacious, right? Plenty of room. You can put a lot of stuff in this bedroom here, okay? And this is just, look how far we're standing back here from one side of the wall all the way over here to the next. Okay, so let's transition over here into the master suite bathroom. You have dual vanity, again, quartz type features. As far as your countertops, nice size tub.
Yeah,
okay,
two people can fit in there.
You can fit two in there, okay, yeah. All right, and like I say, if you watch any of our other videos, you know this is one of my favorite spots about a master suite. You gotta have a little privacy in your water closet. Another stand-up shower, and we're walking into your, what will become your walk-in closet. Okay, carpeted floor. And we have vinyl here in the walk space. Okay, follow me. Okay, so now we'll keep moving. Off to your right here, what we'll have is what we would call your washer dryer room, laundry room. Okay, you got hookups already in place for your washer dryer. Bedroom over here to your right. So this is bedroom number 3. 1 bedroom downstairs, remember. 2 bedrooms we've seen already upstairs. Here's another closet. Not your walk-in closet, but a lot of space, because you can go in here, corner over to the corner over here, and then over here. They'll put the shelving in here in a little bit. And then we have a nice little, what I would call, what would you call this again?
Like a little nook.
It's a landing area. / loft.
Yeah, loft. Not
there you go,
loft.
That's the word I was looking at. So you got the loft. So it's a nice little loft for, if you want to keep your young ones upstairs, let them have a little play area or a place for them to do their office, not office, but homework or whatever. You can do that up here. Okay. Bedroom number 4. Same features as a couple of the other ones we've just seen. Then you have your closet right here. Okay, carpeted throughout. Nice high ceilings. Okay. Come on, let's go. Here's another closet. Okay.
That's probably going to be the linen
I
closet,
think
you think?
This would be your linen. You got closet space here.
Wow.
And then you got, for this bathroom here, I would imagine this is the linen for this bathroom.
You're right.
This is the linen closet. In here you got dual vanity. So this is a shared bathroom with a couple of the family members that are upstairs. And then as you transition over here, look to your right. My right, your left.
Wow.
Here's another closet. So there's some privacy here. This is unique.
Yeah, you don't usually see this in an upstairs.
You don't see this in an upstairs.
That's really good.
Yeah. So you got a combo garden shower, toilet, and you got a door to close it all in and provide privacy. That's a good feature. Good touch. I like that. What do you think?
I think it's nice.
Yeah, very nice. Mighty nice. And this is bedroom number 5. So this is the final bedroom we'll take a look at. Again, we got to put the shelving in place and all that to make that closet complete. All right, so this floor plan is called the Hayden. It's 5 bedrooms, okay, and in supporting bathrooms. Approximately about 2,500 square feet, so it's a nice size house. It's being built here in the newly developing community here in Blythewood, South Carolina. Hi, thank you so much for listening in on and checking out our content. We really appreciate that from the bottom of our heart. If you are thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, we would love to have a frank and earnest conversation with you about the goodness of working with Julius Washington and the Washington Group. Until the next time, salute.